fluff it, pull it, bop it. Listen, I know you don't feel like talking right now, but it's time to call Daddy Papa. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video was brought to you by HerGivenHair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now before we get into this glueless natural edges beginner friendly install that I went on and busted oldie but goodie product out for, I got my arms out. Y'all know I'm feeling it. Yes ma'am. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from HerGivenHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is going to be very easy because it's only a T-part wig, meaning you don't get no extra parting space up in here. It's not a closure. It's a straight back part that you may get like, you know, a ½ inch to an inch of parting space in the middle. This is what that looks like if you didn't see it during my unpackaging. You do get a little bit of lace across the front, maybe like a ½ inch. It also comes with the kinky edges, so it should blend down to my hairline really nicely when I go in to style this wig. I will more than likely be brushing my kinky edges back to give me a certain look, and we will be wearing this unit glueless. So before I do me, let me go ahead and tip my lace really quick. I'm using my 330 toffee powder. This is from the Maybelline Fit Me collection. This is a pressed powder. If you have lace tint spray or any type of makeup spray, you can definitely use that. Then the knots on this unit are bleached, so I'm not going to do too much dusting around the hairline. I just want to do a little something, okay, a little razzle, a little sprinkle real quick, just to kind of make sure it's going to blend down to me. Close that on up. This is gonna be a very quick install, so if you're looking for a very simple kinky curly type of wig, this may be the one for you. And I mean a kinky curly wig that's actually kinky curly, not loose curly, not, you know, loose kinky. No, it's actually a kinky curly wig. So when this wig right here dries down, oh, it's gonna be a bush. What am I doing with this? I don't need the scissors yet. Wait a minute. I'm getting ahead of myself, child. It does come with the sewed in elastic band, so you should have that on your wig when you get yours. I did go ahead and co-wash my wig because it does have a chemical smell. However, the water was not dirty when I washed it. Like, I mean, the water was crystal clear. Push that cap to the back. Let's put it on. Strap over the head. Bring the lace down. That parting space is pretty pinched. I may need to open that up some if I want to use that. Let me get my little clips. Oh, I could do a pin back with this, even though it's not a lace front. The way the hairline is in the front, I probably could still do a half up, half down if I wanted to. Okay, I'll see you, HerGivenHair. What is that right there? The binding right here. My ear tab is a little short in the back, but it's long. It's too long in the front. So I gotta be real careful how I cut this off so I don't cut into the stitching too much. There we go. I'm not gonna tweeze the hairline. I'm gonna leave it exactly how it is because I want you guys to be able to rock this out the back. Cut the lace off right in the front, around the hairline like that. Now I'm gonna do my Nairobi mousse around my hairline. Can't take my glasses off. Uh-oh. It's running low. I'm just pushing all the hair back. HerGivenHair doesn't have a band, so I gotta use one that I already have. Clip this up in the back real quick and strap it down. Now, for my curls, I will be using my mousse, but also my curl glaze that I've been telling y'all about. I have used it on a HerGivenHair wig before, but I haven't done so in a while. Okay, this is a lot of hair, but I don't like this shape, so I gotta get my shape together. Also, this parting space is very, like I told y'all, it's very pinched, so I need to get some of that hair up out of there so we can look a little bit more natural than that. HerGivenHair, I would like my parting space to be a little bit more open, okay? And especially in this price point for this joint, I need a little bit more parting space. You get a little space to do a little something to open it up a little bit, okay? I'm not gonna do too much with it because, again, I probably won't use the part on my wig, but I just wanted to show you guys that you can open it up by just pulling some of that hair out. I'm gonna try to do this in 4 sections, 2 on each side. Let's get this one up. All right, start from the end, Brush it out like that. If I was to leave it to air dry, it would definitely get bushy. I'm running out of mousse, so I'm gonna use a little bit on each side, and then I'm gonna go in with the curl glaze. Oof. Curl glaze, that's what it looks like. It is pink. Use my brush to dip it in like that. Not gonna use a lot because I don't want it to be heavy. And just so heavy, baby, yeah. Work it in, work it on the fingers. Not a finger. Comb it out. Now, I told y'all in previous videos about this curl glaze. It can get real heavy because it is a thick product. It's not light like the mousse. But if it comes out too clunky or too like crunchy looking, I'm gonna use my blow dry to kind of air it out a bit. But we'll get to that, okay? We'll get to that. All right, so mousse. Started from the bottom, now we're here. When I washed this hair, I did get some shedding and tangling, which I do expect because this is a kinky curly wig. So, you know, expect the expected with this joint. Okay, let me put some on my hand. Work that product in. Ooh. Me even combing that through is not pulling on the hair. It's just because the product is so thick and then the hair is thick. So they working in tandem to break my wrist. Come on, come on. Oh, the curls are nice, I like that. Just twist these around my finger like so. Let me do these up here. Hold on, let me get these curls by this part right. All right, that's how that side is looking compared to this side. Okay. All right, so hair is mostly dried down. This is what we're sitting with. I'm gonna use my, do I wanna use this? I think so. I'm gonna use my pick. I'm just gonna pick it out just a little bit. See how I did that? Kind of lengthen it out a little bit. I can also use my blow dryer on warm heat or high heat, however I like it, and lengthen the hair a bit if I wanted a little bit more, you know, length around my head. But I think using my pick should be okay. Make sure I go the right way. Go that way. Under there like that, under here, up here. The hair is still a little damp, but should be pretty good once I blow dry her down just a little bit more in a second. Give me that shape. Are we or are we not coming together? And the curls are still, they're still giving. Let me take off my band. See what we're working with the hairline. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig grip because I have a little extra space in there. There we go. There we go. Let me just clip this back really quick so I can brush my hairline back. Brush it back like that. Nothing crazy. Brush it back, way back. I do need to put my glasses over my wig though. Over the lace. I don't want to take away from the curl, so I'm gonna do a little of my Eco Styler gel on my edges right here in the front, just to kind of lay those down, but also give them like that curly look, you know what I'm saying? All right, push those back. Give it that wavy look. Bring some of the curls down, push some of them back. Just kind of letting it do its own thing, to be honest. Yeah, like that. Okay. Then I'm gonna wrap her down one more time just to make sure she's gonna be how I want her to be. And while that is sitting, I'm gonna put on my lip gloss. Almost time to go. All right, let's take this off. See how we sitting. It's a little ashy on the side, but the side will probably be down anyway, so I ain't too worried about it. You can also use the edges if you want to bring those down to kind of hide that hairline. Let's go ahead and put this down and put this, come on, put that down. I wanted to sit back off my hairline like that. That's the look I'm going for. I don't want it all down in my face. To hold it in place, I can definitely just put some bobby pins, kind of like right here to kind of hold this back if I needed to, but I feel like it's gonna stay for right now, so I ain't too worried about that. Uh-oh, I got a Little ashiness right there. Where are you? Right here. Right there. There we go. There we go. Okay, fluff it. Pull it. Bop it. Let's just pull some of these ends out so they're not so perfect. Ooh. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. I think we got her together real nice. This right here, use it on your kinky curly wigs. This looks so good, y'all. I'm here for this. I was a little worried because of that parting space, but the way I pulled the hair out of this part right here, and I ain't too worried about this right here, it worked out real nice. My hair is still a little damp, but I can feel the product on it. But when it dries down, because I use the curl glaze, it won't get too much bigger than this unless I physically go in and fluff the unit. If I keep my hands out of my wig, it will dry down just like this because of that curl glaze. And I think if you decide to invest in your, your human hair wig, especially if it's a curly natural joint, then you will be happy with this one, okay? This one is not as much as a lace front, and because of how I styled it and because the sides are like this, you can definitely pull this joint up into a half up, half down and still give that look as a lace front without paying the lace front price, okay? You may need to call Daddy Papa, but this is like a perfect wash and go. Look how juicy they look, y'all. I like that, y'all. I really do. And y'all see the curl is going from the root all the way to the tip, okay? That's what I love about HerGivenHair wigs. You get the quality in every single wig, okay? They are a high quality brand with the high quality price. High quality. So yeah, y'all, what we thinking? What we thinking about this one? Is this my hair or not? Go ahead and lie so I can block you. Who am I fooling today? Who's gonna be a natural hair guru? Me. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to HerGivenHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.